I'm Dr. Brenda Schofstall. I'm the Program Director for Clinical Laboratory Sciences, and this is one of our undergraduate lab practicum courses that undergraduates take before they go into their clinical rotations. Today, these students are learning how to pull blood smears so they can do complete blood counts and white blood cell differentials, which is one of the main tests that we do in the hematology lab in the clinical lab. It takes a lot of practice. It's a little bit of an art, and so they have to try over and over and over again until they get 10 good blood smears. That's their goal for the day. When the blood smear is complete, they will stain it, they will put it under the microscope, and then they will count 100 white blood cells, and they will differentiate the different types of white blood cells that they are looking at, and that can tell us about different disease states. With a bachelor's degree in clinical laboratory sciences, students can step right into the profession and have a lifelong career in a medical profession that is very meaningful to them without having to go on to medical school or to go get a master's degree. They can do it straight out of their undergraduate years. It is a great profession and a great degree, especially for someone seeking a 4-year bachelor's degree with a lifelong profession. It's a great opportunity.